So good morning to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about IDBI Bank share. So previously, when we have discussed about IDBI Bank, that is on Friday, we have discussed the complete technicals and also majorly we have discussed about PCA. So what is PCA? Prompt corrective action. So when it has came out of PCA, so ultimately the financial strength will be improved, and also the finance minister, when they told that they'll infuse funds into the banks which come out of PCA or which are under PCA. So what are the various banks as well we have discussed, and also what will be the next targets, that also we have seen in previous videos. So now since IDBI Bank is near 40 rupees level, so it is almost near the region that we have discussed. So what would be the next immediate target? So that we will try to find out. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And if you have not joined the Telegram group, definitely join the Telegram so that any instant updates will be posted there. And also if you have any personal doubts or if you want any video analysis, you can message me in Instagram. So there we will discuss each and every point. Okay, so let's discuss about IDBI Bank. Okay, so quickly let's revise volume analysis. So clearly you can see on 12th March 2021, so you can see the traded quantity has increased. So why the traded quantity has increased? Because the volatility of the stock was high. So when volatility increases, so ultimately we know that the traded quantity also increases. So today we know that market was down. So there are various reasons, whether it may be due to lockdown or it may be due to US bond yield. So these are the major factors which are affecting the stocks. And today not only IDBI, so major banks also have shown correction. So whenever correction happens, you should not do any panic selling, but you need to find an opportunity to invest in stocks, especially for a long term. So don't have any panic situation. So this may be little profit booking because we have seen a huge bull run in the market. So ultimately at any point of time profit booking happens, but you need to find the best quality stocks. So I'll discuss all those stocks. So make sure you're updated in Telegram as well as in the YouTube as well. Okay, so deliveries wise, increase is present. Only thing is that the global markets, so they are down, so that's why we have seen some correction. So still bullish momentum is present. Okay, so indicators wise, if you see, it is near you can see money flow index and RSI. So that you can see it is near 84.2 and one is near 77.8. So in overbought region, still it is in overbought region. So at any point of time it will retrace. So that is very important thing. So and apart from that, when we have discussed the technicals of IDBI Bank, whether it may be Instagram, so that time we have discussed some crucial resistances and also some important supports. So again, I'll try to revise that. So make sure you note down all those levels if you are invested in IDBI Bank, so that it will be very beneficial too, because they are being obeyed very well. So when I take you to the technical chart, so there you will understand how it has been obeying that. For now, you can see that RSI and money flow index are in little overbought, not completely in overbought, but whatever may be the reason, global market or little profit booking, so try to average. So what is the level that we can average? So we'll discuss now. So before that, let's see how many returns it has given. Okay, returns wise, if you see 1 week, we can see 10.61, 1 month 38.45% return, 6 months 5.66, 1 year 89.39% returns, and rest of all we have seen some negative returns. So financial strength of IDBI Bank was little a concern for many people have invested in this. So major movement was not been seen in the previous months, but later when it has come out of PCA, so that momentum that many people expected was seen. So now let's go to technical charts. Okay, so when we go to technical chart, so clearly you can see a gap filling is being seen in the stock. So currently it is down almost 4.40 and it is trading near 40.20. I can tell you nothing too much panic in this. So just it is a gap filling process. Again it will fill the gap, again it will start retracing. So this is basic patterns. So chart patterns are something that you need to master. So when you will master, so basis on experience. So when you see many charts, so you'll understand how any stock, when it has a gap up, up, again it tries to fill the gap, and again it starts retracing. So same thing here also is happening. So it is trying to fill the 40 rupees level gap. So once it will touch the 40, again it will start retracing, maybe tomorrow or in the coming days as well. So what is the important thing? You need to obey and see the levels. So earlier when we discussed, the first resistance was 32. So after it has given breakout, we have seen some bullishness. Again the immediate resistance was 40. So after that we have seen gap up, it has gone to 45. So where it has faced the resistance and started retracing. So now again it is filling the gap, again it will start retracing. So next immediate target would be 45. So this is for swing trade. And if you want any to hold it for long term especially, so that time no need to worry, just try to average. Okay, same thing here also, money flow index, little bit of overbought region, so that's why it has shown some correction as well. So again it will start retracing. Okay, some interesting things you will find when we go to 1 week chart. So what is that? You can see a red color line, which is the 200-day exponential moving average. So that is around 45.33. So that is 200-day. Okay, 45.33. Okay, so this is very important. So first target what we discussed is 45 if retracement happens. So after that immediate targets would be 50. Okay, so 45 breaking and closing is very important. So recently, that is on Friday, we have seen it has touched that and little bit of profit booking was seen. So you may see little bit of sideways momentum. So after that it will try to break the 45 rupees level and give a momentum and cross the 50 as well. Okay, so these are the mid to long term, we can say you can watch this particular stock if you're already invested. So make sure you hold it. So average price, where to average, so you have discussed, that is 40 rupees. So there you can try to average. So today it is almost near 40 only, so 40.20. so it has filled the gap. So again it is we can say a little flat momentum is present. So watch that clearly. If you have any further doubts, you can message me in comment section or in Instagram. So until then, take care. Bye bye.